8:30 in the morning and I'm headed to Birch Tower to Virginia. Check out this old gas station. $183 steps going up to a view where you can see 6 states if it's pretty outside. These are what I call Shelly roads, because my friend Shelly does not slow down on these things. She gives her Jeep a run for its money. See the deer. There it goes. A lot of little switchbacks on this road. Any vehicle can do it. Just take your time. You're going to be on this road for at least 30 minutes. Even have bathrooms. I don't know about going in there. I'd go in the woods first, but since I'm hiking solo, I am carrying. Has a little laser on it, 9mm. Not because of any four-legged animals, but to protect myself for any two-legged animals. Even though it's about 36 degrees, I will probably end up taking the hoodie off. This is going to be easy 183 steps. The trailhead is right there, and you're parking right here. So you are probably a football field away from the first steps. And don't forget your water. Actually, probably less than a football field away. It doesn't take no time to get to the top. Try to hurry because I hear another car and I want to be the only one up here. Virginia side. It literally takes about 2 minutes to get up here. West Virginia side. Ohio side. Kentucky side. And your beautiful Tennessee side. North Carolina. Amazing. Well worth the trip. I have it to myself right now, but there's 2 or 3 other cars that's pulled up since I've got up here. So I tried to hurry up so I can get the video with nobody in it. It's your 360 view. Very much worth the trip. I'll see if I have a signal to go live. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. To try to find this Jenny Falls 2-mile hike. I do have the trail to myself. The other 2 vehicles are actually up at the observation tower. We did have a little bit of rain the day before yesterday, but the pictures I've seen of this fall has always been a trickle. This is going to be absolutely fun coming back up. You can't read that, but it says Jenny Falls, named for Jenny Rose, who once lived on the branch. Marker. Thought we were going the wrong way. It's gonna barely be a trickle. Not a lot of traffic in and out of here. A lot of trees down over the trail. show them how it's done.
Oh yeah. Tennis shoes are not the trick.
That's true. We're going to be huffing and puffing on the way back up. It's supposed to be right on the other side of this boulder. Right around the corner. Oh, really? Huh? I see the water. Oh, it's got to come off of that rock right there. I knew it came off of a rock. It's got to be that rock right there. It comes down. Well, we made it to the trickle. There's your trickle. Oh. Come and see your disappointment. At least there's a little bit of water. Jenny Falls. Yep. It's gonna take twice as long to get back out of here. Yeah, twice as long because all uphill. Jenny is a trickle. Made the hike. Jenny Falls. A lot of people give up on this fall. Proof they made it. Right? Thanks for watching the video.
I'm taking my time.
Oh yeah. You got porta potties everywhere out here. There you go. We're the only ones out here, so you're safe.
Be careful, you can use the leaf.
Count the leaves, right?
That's right.
This road though, I am so ready to retire. Today has been one of the most memorable hikes ever. Usually going on the weekend, you're with a younger crowd on the trail, and when you go when everybody else is at work, you're more in my age group, and it has been awesome. The people that I have met, and added to cliff tops and waterfalls. I cannot wait. 5 more years and I'm retiring. And this is what I'm going to do, probably until I die. It's been a great day.